crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and tonight's just a quick video. In the mail this week, we received our 2023 Keepsake Gift Box. So what's interesting is I ordered this thinking it was more like the Missouri Star Quilt and some of the other Christmas boxes, and kind of what I'm hearing or seeing on the internet is this is more like just a gift box. It's not necessarily geared for Christmas and the holidays or whatever. With that said, we're still not going to do an unboxing of it. It is part of what we bought in anticipation of opening in December. Now, whether we wait and open it the first part of December, open it Christmas Eve, whatever, we'll figure that out. Curtis will figure that out. He's very specific about how we open some things. But I think it's exciting. It's still another gift. It still has, I know, some fabrics, some notions, some different things in it. We've purposely not looked at some of the other unboxings and unveilings. I know some people have been critical of it in just the few things that we've kind of glanced at. I don't know. You know, at the end of the day, we're still excited that it's another contribution towards our quilting, towards our crafts, towards what we want to do. So yeah, we'll see, I guess. So that said, we will post eventually about the 2023 Keepsake Gift Box. We have ordered fabric in that from Keepsake before. We've been happy with the quality and stuff that we get from that group. We'll see. But I just wanted to post and real quick and talk about that. Got a couple of projects we're working on this weekend. Hopefully tomorrow morning we'll get a few other videos posted. And as always, we appreciate your comments, appreciate you dropping in. And like I said, this was just meant to be a quick hey video. Let you know that is part of the subscription boxes, Christmas boxes and that we purchased. And sometime during the month of December, we'll start unboxing all of those along with everyone else, unless some of those folks just couldn't wait. We like the anticipation, so it's if I opened it and unboxed it today, and then I have less to look forward to in December, so we're just gonna wait. But anyways, I'm John. You landed in Guys Craft 2. Thanks for dropping in for just a few minutes today. Hope things are going well, and until next time, happy crafting.